In this short video, I'm going to show you 5 apps for Android that I recommend you try. The first app is called AudioTube. It allows you to listen to music from YouTube in the background, or with the screen off, for free and without advertising. The application offers many features, such as changing the playback speed, repeating a song, or putting a YouTube video as a favorite, to be able to find it easily later. The second application is called Open Camera. It is a camera application like the one that comes with your smartphone, but with many additional features, like adjusting and locking exposure or focus, add a rule of thirds or manually adjust the white balance. It is also possible to choose the format and the resolution in which the photos or videos are saved. Open Camera contains many other features that I don't have time to show you in this short presentation. Tired of ads in apps? Blockada will allow you with a single click to block all advertising in any application except YouTube. It is important to note that Blockada is also available on iOS. If you don't want to block ads on a particular app, just click on Advanced, then on Apps, and click on the app. The fourth application is called Soul Browser. It is an internet browser like Chrome but with many additional features, like enable dark mode and browser in web pages, fully translate a web page, or browse the internet with just one hand. Soul Browser also has an ad blocker feature that will allow you to get rid of ads on websites. The browser also has features usually reserved for the PC, such as the ability to access the source page. It is also highly configurable, and offers many customization options. Soul Browser also allows you to adjust the brightness and volume by sliding your finger on the side of the screen while playing a video. This internet browser is full of other features that I won't have time to show you in this short presentation. The latest application that I will introduce to you is called VN Video Editor. It is a completely free video editor without watermark. The application is full of features such as adjusting the brightness, contrast or saturation. It is also possible to add transitions or text to a video. Its interface is easy to use, which makes this video editor accessible to both beginners and professionals. VN also has advanced functionality, such as video overlay, chroma key, keyframes or blending. It is important to note that this application is also available on iOS. It's already the end of this video. I invite you to tell me which application you preferred in the comments.